Welcome to class. You want to sound more advanced in English? Let's level up this sentence. Here's a simple sentence for you. John finished a project yesterday at the office. Instead of finished, let's use a stronger verb, like successfully executed. This makes John sound more professional. Now, let's expand the sentence with the result. What happened because John finished the project? Let's add, which led to commendation from the manager. Now, we have a powerful sentence. John successfully executed the project yesterday at the office, which led to commendation from the manager. You see how a few tweaks make your sentence more advanced? Try this yourself. Keep practicing, and see you next lesson.